I'm doing this quick video. I wanted to show you guys some new ideas. So this is a planter and I did paper flowers. So if you want to check out that video, you'll see how to create these paper flowers. All I had to do without buying anything is use old coffee filters that I had at home, and I made these paper flowers. I also made these Christmas tree pine cones out of the old coffee filters. I showed you this in a previous video, how to create these yarn balls out of aluminum foil wrapped in yarn, and you just put some glue on the yarn. You do the mixture of glue with water on the yarn so that it can form these shapes, and you can keep these patterns. That's easy. I had started with some my mom had some lemon shaped or lemon kind of artificial lemons, and I used the foam, but that was getting expensive. Aluminum foil is much cheaper. You can get a whole thing of aluminum foil from the dollar store, ball it up, wrap it in yarn. This is the what the heck is that craft that I showed you guys in a previous video. You can look that up. This is a dollar store vase with some just jar lids that I put together, and it created this little bottom, and I'll show you at the underneath. I just put some cardboard underneath so that it would kind of fill out the bottom. So that's nothing but a dollar store vase with some jar lids. This is a dollar store tea light holder. I had like a 4-pack for $1.25. I'm just using it for some change. So that gives you an idea. So if you don't have candles or flameless candles and you don't need it, this is a great place just to store your change. The next thing I want to show you is how you can create this is a box, just an old box that I put some wrapping paper on, and it becomes a place to put these DIY tinsel trees. All you have to do is take some poster board, go to the dollar store, it costs $1.25, take some poster board, wrap some tinsel around it, and you can create, it just all fell over. Okay, and you can create these tinsel trees. So with this one, I didn't have any more tinsel. I ran out of tinsel, and I just put some wrapping paper, the same wrapping paper I used to cover the box, and just the little bit of tinsel I had left, put it on the top, and there you go. So this is kind of like pleated. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I think if I hold it this way, you can see how what I did was did some pleating. I took strips, wrapped it around the poster board to create a pleated look. So let me show you that. The next thing I wanted to show you is I'm going to place some of these wreaths on eBay so that you guys, if you're interested, you can buy a wreath. I used my old LSAT paper, and I got this great idea from a YouTube video I saw, and if I can find it, I'll try to link it in the description so that you can find how to create it yourself. All it is paper hot glued to an old hanger, the wire hangers, and you just shape the wire hanger and hot glue this. Such an easy craft, and I hope you guys like it. I'll try to link the video in the description if I can find it. Let me just show you one last thing. If you can find these lanterns, I found this years ago. Buy it. I did a video, I did a craft years ago with a lantern and a wreath. I also did a video with the wreath, and all you have to do is take a wreath, and you could do something like this. Let me pause this and show you. All you have to do is take a wreath like this, put the lantern inside of it. If you don't want to use the flame, if you're concerned about safety, you could put like a little tea light in there, and that's just a simple way to decorate. I like to recycle, reuse, and repurpose. So let me just show you all these little crafts so that you can get some ideas of how you can make your holidays special. Okay? If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.